This is fit for a 2009 through 2017 Volvo XC60 with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium AeroBlade base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade Load Bars in silver, 47 inches in length, the 460R Rapid Podium Foot Pack, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal brackets, which grip to the edges of the flush side rail. This is part number KIT 4006. Crossbars here are positioned at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.